Can you hear the sound of the real estate market sizzling? That's because experts are predicting a significant rise in home prices for 2024. Recent data and market signals have prompted these experts to revise their forecasts upwards, indicating a potential surge in home prices. And guess what? This shift is not just a flight of fancy, but is backed by some serious real estate experts. So buckle up. The real estate roller coaster is about to get a lot more thrilling. So what's driving this real estate rocket ship? Well, it's a combination of factors. First up, we have the stubbornly persistent issue of low housing inventory. Imagine being at a concert where the band is hot, but the venue is small. The tickets are going to be pricey, right? That's exactly what's happening in the housing market. Now let's add in the mix our second factor, the decreased mortgage rates. Picture this as a massive sale at your favorite store. Who wouldn't want to buy more? The same logic applies to home buying. Lower mortgage rates mean more people can afford to buy, which drives up demand and, you guessed it, the prices. You see, it's a bit of a domino effect. Limited supply meets increased demand, and voila! We have a recipe for climbing home prices. With these factors at play, it's no wonder experts are revising their forecasts. Now you might be wondering, how do I navigate this fast-paced market? The answer lies with Ernesto Soto Homes. In a market that's moving as quickly as this one, knowledge truly is power. And that's where we come in. At Ernesto Soto Homes, we pride ourselves on being at the forefront of the real estate industry. We live and breathe market trends, ensuring we're always one step ahead. Our team of dedicated professionals is ready to guide you through every twist and turn, making sure you're equipped with the information you need to make the best possible decisions. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from one of our satisfied clients, shall we? When I decided to buy a home, I was overwhelmed with information and unsure where to start. Ernesto Soto Homes stepped in and suddenly, everything became clear. Their guidance and expertise were invaluable. I can't recommend them highly enough. That's the Ernesto Soto Homes difference. We're not just real estate agents, we're your partners, your guides, your advocates. We're here to help you navigate the complexities of the market, ensuring you're always in the driver's seat. Our promise to you, we'll always put your needs first. We'll always provide you with the most up-to-date information, and we'll always be there to support you every step of the way. With Ernesto Soto Homes, you're not just buying a house, you're investing in a future. So, are you ready to make your move?